Hi, in this video, we're going to learn about how we can further control the value of I in for loops. We know that the value of I is counting from 0 to an ending value by ones, but can we alter this? Yeah. We can have even more control over the value of I by using more parameters. If we just put one value in for our range, Tracy will default to starting at 0 and counting by 1 up to that value. But if we want the values of I to increase another way, or start at a value other than 0, we can plug these numbers in. The first value we enter is the starting number, followed by the ending value, and then the amount to increase by on each iteration. Let's take a look at an example using these extended parameters. This code is creating a loop where I starts at 10, goes up to 100, and increases by 10 each time. The value of I is controlling the radius of the circles being drawn. So the first circle Tracy draws has a radius of 10, and then I increases by 10 and becomes 20. The value of I keeps increasing this way, 10, 20, 30, 40, until it reaches 100 when it ends. 100 is not included in our loop, so if we wanted our final circle to have a radius of 100, we'd need to make the ending value greater than 100. Let's look at one more example. Here, I is starting at 0 and counting up to 5. We are using I in our code to control the radius of our shape. We're using the extended parameters for our circle command, so Tracy will actually be drawing squares, not circles, because we've entered 4 for the number of points. But when we run this code, it looks like nothing happened. Well, our value of I is starting at 0, so we're first having Tracy draw a square with a radius of 0, which will be nothing. Then our radius is increasing to 1, but a square with sides of 1 pixel are too small for us to see with Tracy in the way. The radius value is increasing until it reaches 5, but that's still too small to see. How can we change this code so she draws shapes we can see? Well, we have two options. The first thing we could do is use a mathematical expression to increase the value of I by 20 each iteration. Or we could alter the value of I by using our extended parameters. In this lesson, we learned how to alter the value of I even further.